Thank you, Javier. Well, the good news is all this rain should make our gardens look beautiful in the springtime. And of course, we got the green thumb expert herself right here, Kimberly Carver from Kimberly's Treehouse Garden. Now, the last time we spoke to you, she was competing on MasterChef. You made it to the top 10.
Top 10, all the way to the top 10.
That is awesome.
I know,
girlfriend.
so exciting.
High five to that. That is awesome. So, I mean, you're the expert when it comes to growing fresh and beautiful vegetables for your kitchen. And I need help with this because I'm trying to get better at this. I have two beautiful lemon trees in the backyard.
Nice.
But I want to try my hand at growing other vegetables right here. And you're going to teach us how to do this. So what is the best practice you think?
I mean, it's cold outside right now, so you're not thinking about gardening. But if you want to get a jump start on the garden, this is the time to start your seeds.
Okay. All
right. So there's a couple ways you can go. You could go really traditional.
Okay.
And you can use, store-bought materials. Or you can use recycled things in your kitchen, containers.
So the containers have like holes in them, right?
Yeah, you just want to make sure to add some drainage.
Okay, cool.
And then secondly, you need to use the right soil. So you want really super duper light soil.
Okay.
And you want to make sure, I mean, this is like feathery light,
pretty.
Right?
Yeah.
And then it will retain all the moisture for you, so you're not having to water a lot, because you're going to probably start these inside, right?
Okay.
And then you want to make sure definitely to label your garden seeds.
Okay.
Because you're like, oh, I'm going to remember what they are, right?
Okay, so
let's do one.
Let's do some carrots.
Okay.
So we'll write this down.
Let's do peppers.
You want to do peppers? Okay.
Easier.
We'll do peppers.
Okay, let's do peppers, right?
All right.
And so even though you've got a small section here, you're going to add a couple seeds to each section, because number one, they might not all germinate.
Okay.
And then if they do, awesome, because later you can separate them and just get them going
Now,
separately.
what vegetables can we not plant right now?
Well, right now, the ones you really should be, because it's a smaller list, is you definitely should be starting your peppers and your tomatoes, even your eggplant inside, because they are a little bit slower to grow.
Okay.
Okay. And then you also, there's a lot of flowers. Actually, our California poppy flower, Sayflower, is one that likes cold stratification. So it likes to be planted when it's cold, and then it will germinate in the spring. So right now, peppers, tomatoes, some flowers, and you get these started, and then after our frost date, which is around late February, mid-March. Yeah. We can harden them off, get them, do you know what that means, harden them off?
Well, no, break it down for us, because I'm learning a whole bunch of stuff right now.
So once they get all acclimated, right, you don't want to just take them from the nice, cozy house and throw them in the garden,
well, that's immediately what I thought we were supposed to do.
Right? So we want to take the time to kind of just adjust them to the new area we're going to plant them.
I didn't know.
So you'll take them out in the morning.
This is such a delicate process.
Right?
Okay.
Take them out a couple hours a day. It's like little children. You're getting them ready for the garden. After they've been acclimated like a full day, then they're ready to plant.
Okay.
And so
we got to pour a little water in here?
Yeah, we're going to water these every day.
Okay, water them every day.
And then, there's one thing that a lot of people have trouble with is their seedlings get leggy. So they'll get really tall. Okay. So you got a couple of options. When you go by and check on them every day, you rub your hand over little baby plants, and they think, oh my gosh, something's going to eat me.
Do you talk to it too?
Baby. Well, you could even put some music on, shake them around, do a little dance.
Okay. All right. I love that idea. Okay. That's really cute.
Right? Or you could put a light fan on them like an hour of the day. And this makes them jiggle, and this makes their roots stronger. So when they're ready to go to the garden, they are ready to produce and be awesome.
Kimberly, I love you. Thank you so much for coming in here. And also, please check out your Instagram. You're on Instagram. You have a website too.
Yes.
I mean, you have all those great gardening tips right there. So yes, I mean, you're setting us up for success, my dear. Thank you so much.
To grow a great garden and turn those veggies into beautiful meals on the table.
Thank you, Kimberly. All right, guys. We'll be right back.